Here, fingertips come to the earth. This time we're gonna step the left foot back. Try to keep that knee lifted. If you wanna lower it, you know the ground is there for you, of course, but I want you to work on reaching that left heel back, front knee over front ankle, lifting up from the pelvic floor, finding that connection, that support from within. Lastly, open the chest, look forward, deep breath in, long breath out. Blades together, elbows back as you lift up from the pelvic floor, coming onto the tippy toes and then lowering them down. Inhale, lift up generously as you slow and steady slice it down the middle, come back down into the fold. Beautiful. From exhale, lower, and one more time, lifting and lower. Nice. Fingertips go down. We inhale, reach for the sky. Palms come together and exhale, bend the knees.